In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can allow others to share my Instagram story. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Instagram app, and you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner to go into your settings and activity menu. From here, you need to tap, of course, account privacy. So scroll down a little bit, look for account privacy, and just make sure your account is set to public. If your account is on private, other people usually will not be able to share your story. From here though, back out and you need to find the how others can interact with you section, and you need to find sharing and reuse. Open that up, and then of course make sure story sharing options are turned on. I'd recommend turning story shares on, which is that first setting up at the top, and then changing stories to everyone. Once these are enabled, other people will be able to share your Instagram story when it is available. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.